Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, it's Mother's Day. Lalabas lang kami para mag-mall. Wala kami ibang gagawin. And ito pala ang aking anak na si...
Hi!
What's your name?
I'm Jillian. Make sure to watch my channel on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright,
Yeah.
so where are we going?
In the mall. And what are we gonna do there?
We will watch a movie!
Yeah!
Okay, so happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay and sa mga tatay na nagpapakananay. Happy Mother's Day din po. Pupunta na kami sa Opus Mall. See you guys!
Let's go.
Love you, Jill!
I love you, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day! Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa Opus Mall. And ayan, so ang first na gagawin natin, Jill, is bibili kami ng ticket for...
Our cinema.
What are you going to watch?
Mario.
Mario! Okay, let's go guys! And so, pag may free time kami, ito ginagawa namin, nagmamall lang, ayan siya, nag-scooter. Hi, Jill!
Hi, Mom.
I'm so excited to watch, guys! Kakain muna kami kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Jill, let's go! Afternoon. So, andito na yung food. Kakain na kami ni Jill. So, what's your food, Jill?
Ramen.
Ramen. And my food, Crazy Maki.
Crazy.
Titikman natin kung gaano ka-crazy. Mine is rice, ramen with gyoza. Let's eat!
Don't forget about my other food. I still have this chicken with rice. You know I love chicken the most.
Oh, Jill, what will you do before you eat?
Pray.
Go! Pray. So, titikman natin tong Shio ramen ng Kutsana. Kaya ko nung ito. Mahilig ako sa spicy, diba guys? So, lalagyan natin siya ng spice. Kulang pa siya sa anghang. Jill, how's your food?
It's good. Really tasty.
Yummy! Sarap. Ito yung ating Crazy Maki. Hi guys! So, yun na nga. Tapos na yung Mario movie. Jill,
Yeah.
yung totoo, natulog ka ba? It's so comfy here. Ayun, thank you so much, Opus Mall and Cinema. We're so happy. Ang sarap panood. Grabe. Ayun, let's go na, Jill. Jill, wake up na. Wake up na. This is not our house. Sobrang ganda. Para talaga siya sa mga kids. And
Did you enjoy it well?
may part 2 pa siya, guys. So, abangan nyo yun. Nag-enjoy ako. Sobrang comfy dito. So, pala yung theater room namin. So, dito kami ni Jill pag wala kaming ginagawa. Pag bored kami, so tag-iisa lang kami ng couch dyan. Yun lang. Panoorin niyo yung Mario Galaxy. Okay? Mamimit niya na yung kapatid niya, si Rosalina. Okay, hi Mama Rosalina. I miss you, Mama. Labas na kami. Jill, asan yung anak ko? Jill! Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching and Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga mommies and sa mga tatay na nagpapakananay para sa kanilang mga anak. Happy Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Alright guys, so please like and subscribe
Make sure to comment
and share.
And share it to your friends. Bye.
Bye! Ako, Jill.